kind of a fan-shaped tree up there at the top. The tree that has a nest in it, the nest is down along the trunk of the tree about 20, 30 feet. And you can always see the bottom of the nest behind the paint.
You can?